Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to mark emails as starred in Gmail. Why would you want to know how to mark emails as starred in Gmail? Well, maybe it is your first time using Gmail and not sure how to mark emails as starred in Gmail. So today I am going to show you how to mark emails as starred in Gmail. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. We sometimes log into any site. They constantly send us mails, and there are tons of unnecessary promotional emails in our phones. If we have any important email and we want to mark it as star, how we can do that? The process is easy. First of all, open Gmail. Now you are seeing multiple emails. Long press on any email you want to add a star. Now click on three dots at the top right corner. Click on Add Star. Your email is added to Star Mails. How you can find that? Click on three lines at the top left corner. Now click on Starred. Here are all of your emails that you marked as star. There you go. If you wanted to know how to mark emails as starred in Gmail, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.